This is the 101. We created this structure table in the previous tutorial. Let's try to edit again this first group of members. Let's eliminate the gap, make it merged. Okay, so now we have this shape. Maybe it doesn't look that perfect. Members locations, we can try to work with that. Let's edit the edit feature and see the next options we have. Here you have the allow protrusion. If you click on that, that will eliminate the first corner, so it will not start from the first corner. You can have a look here, but this, so you know the meaning of allow protrusion, but we don't have it. We don't want to have in this case. So let's move to the next option, is to rotate the members. Then can rotate the members, so you can make it 90 degree. So you rotated your member 90 degrees, so you can try to make 45 degree. So this shape might be better than before. So you rotated your members to 45 degree. Okay, so we will have this shape.